Good afternoon, students. Today we will start chapter 5th, Introduction to Euclid Geometry. Right? So, who is Euclid? Euclid is a mathematician who has given some theorems and postulates. Right? That is given in your syllabus also, that we will discuss today. So Euclid has given so much definitions, but some are there that we will discuss. First definition is a point is that which has no part. Means what? A point is only a point that has no part, like this. Point is only a point that has no part. That is the definition that Euclid has given. A point is that which has no part. Right? Means point is only point that has no part. That's why it is given the point which has no part. Right? A line is a breadthless length. Means what? Because we can extend line indefinitely, so it is a breadthless length that is given because we can extend the line from both the side, है ना? It has no definite length, so that's why a line is a breadthless length. Right? Next, the end of a line are points. The ends of a line are the points. Means if we will talk about a line, if it will end at this point, so end of these line are called the points, right? Like if suppose this line will go till this. Now what is this? This is a point, है ना? So end of a line is called the point, right? Next, a straight line is a line which lie evenly within the points on itself. A straight line is a line which lie evenly with the points on itself. Means a straight line lie only at these points only. In between these 2 points, that is a straight line that it is asking by the Euclid. Next, a surface is that which has length and breadth only. Yes. If we will talk about a surface, suppose this room floor is a surface, है ना? That has breadth and length only, not height. Surface has only breadth and length, not height. Right? That is called the surface because this floor is a surface that has only breadth and length, right? Not height. The edges of a surface are lines. The edges of a surface, if you will talk about the edges of the surfaces, that is a line. These are only lines, है ना? Next, a plane surface is a surface which lie evenly with the straight line on itself. Means what? A plane surface is a surface which lies evenly with the straight line on itself. Means a plane surface is lying like this because it is becoming with the straight lines, right? That is talking about the Euclid, that he has given the definition of a plane that is lying on the straight line on itself only, right? Next, definition of axiom. Means now Euclid tell axiom also and postulates also. So first we will talk about what are the axiom and what are the postulate. What is axiom now? An axiom is a rule or a statement that is generally accepted to be true without proof. Without proof, that is accepted by all the mathematicians and all people that are accepted. That is called the axiom, that is accepted by the without any proof. That we are accepted, like without any proof, that things we are accepted, that are called the axioms, right? And what are the postulates? Postulates are the statement assumed to be true without any requirement of proof. Means what is the difference of postulate and axiom? Axiom is the statement that is accepted to be true without proof, we are accepted, and postulates are the statement assumed to be true. Means we will assume that these are true, that without any proof, means without any requirement of proof, we will assume that these are the correct, right? These are called the postulates. And axiom are accepted, that is true but without any proof, right? These are axiom and these are postulates. So some, I think postulate, next one, postulate, Euclid has given some postulate that we will discuss now. First postulate is a straight line that may be drawn from any one point to another. Yes, a straight line, this is a straight line. We can draw this from one point to another. like this, है ना? This is a straight line. We can draw this line from any point to the any other point, है ना? Suppose one point is there, other point is there. We can draw a straight line from one point to other, है ना? Like this only. If suppose one point is here, other point is here, we can draw one straight line from one point to other point, right? This is the postulate without any proof. Next postulate is a terminated line can be produced indefinitely. Yes, a terminated line means, suppose this is a terminated line. Terminated line means it is a straight line that is terminated, means line segment. This is called the line segment. And this line segment we can draw indefinitely from both the sides. Like this. How much you want to extend it, you can extend, right? So this is given by, this postulate is given by the Euclid. He said a terminated line can be produced indefinitely. Like this, we can extend this line indefinitely from both the sides, right? Next, a circle can be drawn with any center or any radius. Yes, this is also true. Any center, suppose I am taking center here, or any radius you can take and you can draw a circle. So a circle can be drawn any center and any radius, right? Next one. All right angles are equal to one another. Yes, these are also correct. All right angles. Suppose I am making right angle here. One right angle I am making here. One right angle I am making here. So all are equal to one another, है ना? Right? Next. If a straight line falling on the two straight line make the interior angle on the same side of it taken together less than two right angles, then two straight line if produced indefinitely meet on that side on which the sum of angle is less than two right angles. Means what? What is asking in this? If a straight line falling on the two straight lines, suppose two straight lines here, one straight line is falling on it, right? Make the interior angle on the same side of it, this and this, taken together less than two right angle. But we know that if two lines are parallel, these are only straight line asking, not parallel, है ना? If lines are parallel, then their interior angle sum is 180 degree, है ना? But Euclid didn't say this thing that ki two lines are parallel. He said only these two lines are straight. Two lines are straight lines and one line fall on that two lines, right? But these are straight. This is not confirmed that these are, maybe these two lines will meet at one point, है ना? We don't know about it, right? So the interior angle of these on the same side of it taken together less than two right angle means their sum is less than two right angle means, suppose this angle is x, this angle is y. So their sum is less than 180 asking. Okay. He is saying ki these two angle sum is less than 180, then the two straight line if produced indefinitely, if we will produce indefinitely these two straight lines, they will meet on that side on which the sum of angle is less than two right angle. Means if we will produce these two lines indefinitely, so they can meet where these two sum angle is less than 180. Means what is saying in this, if we will fold two lines like this, one line will fall in these two straight line and interior angle sum is less than 180 degree. If we will extend these two lines from that side, so if their angle sum is less than 180 degree, then these two lines will meet at one point. Means they are not parallel. Their interior angle sum is less than 180. But actually, if we will talk about these two parallel lines, if one transversal will fallen on that line, then their interior angle sum is 180 degree. है ना? We have read that. But he is saying that if two lines are, it is not saying that two lines are parallel. It is saying that only two straight lines are there. One straight line is fallen on that straight line. Then interior angle sum is less than 180. Now, then these two right angles maybe means it produce indefinitely meet on the side on which the sum of angle is, means if we will draw these line indefinitely, these two lines will meet at one point. It is asking by the Euclid. Okay, understand to all. Okay, fine. So today we have discussed some postulates and axiom of Euclid. So tomorrow we will discuss the exercise and example of this chapter. Thank you very much. Oh my God. Understand this to all.